Good morning, dear students. Let us continue with our lesson number 2, numbers. But before that, we shall just recall what we studied in our last class. In our last class, we learned to identify the two-digit numbers and also learned grouping and counting, grouping the objects in tens and units. By doing this, counting becomes easier. Students, now let us continue with our lesson. Let us first learn the concept of ones and tens with abacus. This is an abacus of two-digit number. It has two spikes. Let us consider one spike with a 10 rupee note and other spike with 1 rupee note and name it as ones and tens. Students, ones and units is same. The number to be represented on the abacus is 25. So now 5 is in units place and 2 is in tens place. So let us put 5 beads in ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now in tens place there are 2 tens. So let us put 2 beads in the tens spike. 1 and 2. The number is 25. 25 has 2 tens, 5 ones. Now let us do the activity on page number 50. Draw the beads on the abacus to express the given number and write in the place value chart. What is the number given there? Number given is 47. 7 is in units place and 4 is in tens place. So in the number 47 there are 7 units and 4 tens. This number has to be expressed in abacus and place value chart. In number 47 there are 7 units. So 7 beads has to be drawn in the units spike. Let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In tens place 4. So 4 beads has to be drawn in the tens place. Let us draw. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the same number 47 has to be written in the place value chart. Number 47. Now let's move to the next number. In the number 59 there are 9 units and 5 tens. So in the units place you have to draw 9 beads. Let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In tens place 5. 5 tens are there. So 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 59. Now that same number has to be written in the place value chart. 59. Now we'll move to the next number. That is 77. In 77 there are 7 units and 7 tens. The same number 77 has to be expressed in abacus. Let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beads in unit spike. Now in tens place what you have? 7. So 7 beads in the tens spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, the number is 77. Write it in the place value chart. Now let us learn what is place value and face value. Place value. Place value is the position of a digit in the number. Let's understand better with an example. The example given here is 15. Encircled number is 5. So we have to find out the place value of the digit 5. 5 is in units place. So the place value is 5. Okay, we'll go to the next example. Next example now given is 51. Now digit 5 is in tens place. So its position is in tens place. So the place value of this digit 5 is 50 since it is in tens place. So the value of the digit changes according to the position is the place value. Place value is the actual value of the digit. Let us understand better with the example. See, the number is 96. Encircled number is 6. So the face value of 6 will be 6. It will not change with the position. We'll see with the next example. In the example 74, 7 is encircled. So the face value of 7 will be 7. Let us do the activity on page number 54. In this activity, we should write the place value of the given number in the circle. So what is the number given here? The number given is 63. 3 is in units place. So the place value of 3 is 3. The place value of 6 is 60 because there are 6 tens in it. So the place value of 6 is 60. Now we'll move to the next number. What is the next number here? 34. 4 is in units place. So the place value of 4 is 4. 3 is in tens place. That means there are 3 tens in it. 3 tens means 30. The place value of 3 is 30. Now we'll move to the next number. What is the next number here? 77. So this 7 is in units place. So the place value of 7 is 7. This 7 is in tens place. So the place value of 7 is 70 because there are 7 tens in it. So the place value is 70. Let us continue with the activity on page number 54. In this activity, we have to write the place value and the face value of the encircled digit. The digit given is 54. The encircled number is 5. So the 5 is in tens place. So the place value is 50 and face value is 5. Face value is the actual value of the digit. So face value is 5 and place value is 50. Now let us move to the next example. What is the number given there? 76. What is encircled? 7 is encircled. So the place value of 7 is 70. And face value of 7 is 7 because it is the actual value of the digit. Actual value is 7. Next, we'll move to the next number. What is the number? 93. What is encircled? 3 is encircled. What is the place value of 3? 3 is in units place. So the place value is 3. And face value is also 3. What is the next number? 44. What is encircled? 4 is encircled. 4 is in units place. So the place value of 4 is 4. And face value is also 4. The number in units place has the same face value and place value. I hope you have understood what I have taught in today's class. In today's class, we learnt the concept of tens and ones using abacus, place value and face value. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe.